Okay, so next we're going to do a first edit practice. So the way that I need to do this is I need to listen, obviously for my mistakes. If you've already done the desktop exercise, you'll know this pretty well now, but obviously we're using a different tool. We're using our hands instead of a mouse. So what I need to do is listen, and I need to use my edit tools down the bottom here. So I'm going to click on the word edit. And if I need to get back, I can by pressing the little back button on the left-hand side. And we're going to focus on the first option, which is split. So our split button. So I'm going to press play.
Question 1. What is the origin story of your brand or company?
So I've asked that question. I'm going to delete that piece out. So I can press split. And now I know I make a mistake in the next bit, so I'm just going to keep playing.
My origin story.
Okay, so I've just reset and about to say it again. So I'm just going to pull my video to where I want it to be. So here I've got a reset, so I'm going to split again. And now I've got three splits. I've got the question and I've got the mistake. I'm going to click on my areas that I don't want. I'm going to press the delete button, so you can see it's here on my screen next to style, in between camera tracking and style. Press delete on that and that piece is gone. I'm going to do the same again for the mistake. Click on that to highlight it, video, and once again scroll across to delete, and now I'm left with my answer. I'm going to play through not the whole video, just so we can shorten this up. I'm going to play through to where I have finished answering it, which is around the minute mark.
Charity. And that's the way the company started.
And from here, I'm going to split again. So I need to edit and press split. And there is a full answer to my question. So if I was on a speed run, essentially trying to get a quick video up, I would delete out the whole rest of that video. So I'm just left with the 1 minute answer, and I would start working in this space. This would be my working tool, and I would go through and do the same thing on a separate video for my next short video. And one thing I need to be aware of here is that I've actually got a 1:08 video, so this isn't going to quite work on Reels on Instagram. I need to reduce that down by 8 seconds. So you might need to be a little clever here and you go, you know what, I'm just going to cut out a little bit of the video. But for this example, I could also put this up as just a full video. It won't go into Reels, but it'll be something that could exist in different formats. So that's how you edit. Very basically, that's how you edit a video on your CapCut. Going to edit, using the split function, and then selecting the split pieces and pressing delete.